Hello friends, so let me make this quick tutorial on how to share files between your host machine and your guest machine. You know, to do this you have to create a folder on your host machine and share it with your guest machine. So let's see how we can do that. So before we even do that process, we need to install uh, the guest addition. This will install additional packages that support this aspect. So let me open my appliance here. To install the guest addition, you come to devices. When you come to device, you click on guest addition. Then you're gonna load, right? So it will ask you to click on the CD to tell you what it should do. You click on it like that, and it brings this up. You click on Run VBox Windows. When you click on Next, and then it will ask you the location where you want it to be installed, right? You click on, and then you click on Install. You're gonna install these packages. These are the packages that help to facilitate the process of sharing information between your uh, host machine, meaning your computer, and the guest machine, meaning the appliance that you install on VirtualBox or VMware and any other hypervisor. So let's wait for these packages to get installed. So it will ask you to reboot your machine. So it's a good thing to reboot the machine so that the new information or the latest information can be taken into account. So click on finish. My computer has my virtual appliance has rebooted. So now let's create a folder and share it with the uh, virtual machine.
So let me go to my desktop. Yeah, I have one folder here which is empty. I'm going to share this one. So I'll go to my VirtualBox here. This is my Windows machine running. I'm going to go on settings and click on share here. So I'm going to add share. Come to others and go to my desktop. I'm going to share this one. Select it and make it permanent. So now that I made it permanent, so let's create some files. Let's create some files and check on our host machine, and then create a folder from host and check on our virtual machine. So this is my virtual appliance. I'll be on my PC here real quick and come down to network. That's nice. So this is where my folder is shared and my shared-vbox. So I'm going to create a file in here. I'll just call it test.txt. Enter. So we created the file on our virtual appliance. Let's go now to the host and check to see. So this is my host. You see that the file already appeared here. Yeah. So that's the file. Let's now create a folder in here in the host and check in the virtual appliance. Test folder. Let's go to virtual appliance. Come to VBox here. And refresh. There you go. Wow. So now you see you create on the host machine and you can read it on your VirtualBox, on your virtual machine, and you create something from your virtual machine and you also can read it on your host machine without any transfer of files. So our tutorial